Outdoor kitchens can offer an amazing entertainment space for hosts. Adding some extra room became a very popular extension of your home, but when designing your outdoor kitchen, there are many appliances and many brands, and you might find your search overwhelming. In this video, I want to talk about some of the reliable brands that you can look into when building your first outdoor kitchen or upgrading your current one. When it comes to grills, griddles, side burners, and everything in between, Lynx is an amazing top-rated brand that has quality and luxury appliances that will make any style of kitchen feel elevated. Their products also exceed expectations in engineering and build quality. Although there are many grill brands out there, Lynx is one of the most reliable brands, and you can't go wrong with choosing them. A great way to upgrade your outdoor kitchen is by adding refrigerators and warming drawers. And Monogram is one of the best leading brands for refrigeration. The stainless steel finish makes it a great option for durability outdoors. Monogram is an excellent choice for luxury kitchen design, and you'll find both warming drawers and refrigerators. Any outdoor kitchen can always use a little more space to store all your tools. It's a great way to save counter space and have a place to organize everything you need. When planning your kitchen space, convenience goes a long way, and we recommend the barbecue guides for all your storage needs. They have a great selection of access doors, storage drawers, and really anything you need when it comes to storage. Not only do they have their own signature line, but also many other brands as well. One of the most fun additions to your outdoor kitchen is a pizza oven. One of the best brands we recommend has to be Uni Pizza Ovens. They offer many sizes and types of pizza ovens that will certainly fit your budget and your needs. Uni makes pizza making simple and effortless, which is great if you're just starting your journey as a pizzaiolo or for veterans who need reliable equipment to achieve the perfect pizza. Lastly, one of the best additions you can add to your outdoor kitchen is an outdoor rated range hood. Your outdoor kitchen produces intense heat and a lot of smoke, unwanted toxins, and grease that will discolor and damage your ceiling, cabinets, and furniture. At Proline, we have many types of range hoods that I'm sure you'll find something you love. Hopefully you're now more informed about what to look for when looking for outdoor kitchen appliances. If you have any recommendations or questions, please let us know in the comments below, and thanks for watching.